Are you looking for a diet that provides you with an all-round set of benefits, providing you with improved heart health, excellent weight management, and the potential for enhanced nutrient intake from a variety of food sources? Well, you have landed at the very right place then. Today, we are going to introduce one such diet to you. The Mediterranean Ketogenic Diet. Yes, a best of two worlds. The modern research-backed, super popular keto diet. And the ever-sustainable and healthy, the Mediterranean diet. This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in nutritional health and fitness. So, striking a perfect balance. Combining the benefits of the popular keto and Mediterranean diets. The Mediterranean Ketogenic Diet offers a sustainable and effective approach to long-term weight loss and overall health. This unique diet combination maximizes the advantages of both diets, ensuring a balanced and nutrient-rich eating plan. In this video, we will explain the basic principles of the Mediterranean Keto Diet, providing you with a comprehensive guide on how to combine Mediterranean and keto diets for optimal health benefits, followed by a detailed look into the healthy foods to eat, telling you what to eat, what not to eat, for maximum health and weight loss benefits, while on the Mediterranean Keto Diet. So, if you really are looking for a perfect, healthy and sustainable diet, this video is going to be a game changer for you. Now, let's get into the real stuff. First, let's see why the ketogenic Mediterranean diet. While keto and Mediterranean diets individually offer health improvements, combining carb restriction and ketosis with Mediterranean foods presents an intriguing approach. In a study conducted in Spain, researchers developed a Spanish ketogenic Mediterranean diet. It included unlimited calories, olive oil as the primary fat source, green vegetables acted as the primary carbohydrate source, while fish is the main protein source in this diet. The results of this diet were pretty amazing. It resulted in significant decreases in body fat. Substantial decrease in blood pressure, glucose, and triglycerides was also seen. Notably, it also mitigated the increase in LDL cholesterol, typically associated with standard keto diets, while maintaining the HDL boosting benefits. This suggested that the Mediterranean ketogenic diet is a very suitable strategy for those seeking a long-term sustainable healthy diet in an optimal form, and also for individuals struggling with various medical conditions, like unhealthy cholesterol levels and blood pressure. So, before telling what exactly to eat on the Mediterranean Keto Diet, let's first know a bit, what exactly is the Mediterranean Ketogenic Diet? It's not wrong to say that it is the best of two worlds. The Mediterranean Ketogenic Diet incorporates key characteristics from both diets to optimize health benefits. Firstly, it focuses on restricting carbs enough to promote ketosis. Total carbs below 35 grams. Net carbs below 25 grams is the level to be maintained. For appetite control, weight loss, and improved metabolic markers. Next, it emphasizes on monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats instead of saturated fats. Olive oil, avocados, and fatty fish are among such fats to be consumed on this hybrid diet. Next important characteristic of the Mediterranean Keto Diet is consuming keto-friendly vegetables rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. We'll be elaborating this in detail a little further in the video. Next, prioritizing fish, seafood, poultry, and eggs as primary protein sources. And importantly, adjusting protein and fat intake based on individual goals, with attention to muscle preservation and weight loss rate. All these are the key characteristics of this super diet, making it an extremely potent diet for a healthy life. Now, the most awaited thing. Let's have a look at the Mediterranean Ketogenic Diet foods. Firstly, let's have a look at the Mediterranean protein sources. Fatty fish, seafood, poultry, and eggs are the primary sources of protein in this diet. They include salmon, chicken, shrimps, and sardines. These foods are rich in nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and calcium. Moving on, fats, oils in the Keto Mediterranean diet. Olive oil and avocado oil are the easily available options in this regard. Next, the low-carb vegetables. Leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, are to be consumed on the Mediterranean Keto Diet. These include spinach, broccoli, zucchini and cauliflower. All these are suitable low-carb, easily available vegetable options. Now, let's have a look at the low-carb fruits. Fruits like avocados, olives, and tomatoes are easily available low-carb fruit options for this diet. Strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are also among the fruits to be had in the Mediterranean keto diet. Flavorings like Spanish saffron, lemon or lime juice, mint, parsley, garlic are also permissible in the Mediterranean keto diet. Some other foods that can be had occasionally are nuts and seeds, high-fat dairy, and red meat can be consumed, but occasionally. In general, opt for higher fat choices when possible. And if your daily fat intake is already high, choose lower fat options such as skinless chicken breast. Adding avocado, olives, nuts, seeds, or cheese to meals can enhance healthy fat content and provide additional nutrients. All these foods provide you with the combined health benefits of both the keto principle, along with consuming the nutrition-rich Mediterranean diet options. Now, the very important thing. Till now, we have told the foods that can be eaten while on the wonderful Mediterranean keto diet. But it is equally important to know the foods that you need to avoid on this diet to keep the ketogenesis going, giving you the best health and weight loss results. Foods to avoid include grains like wheat. This includes products made from wheat such as bread, pasta, and cereals. Rice, oats and corn are also among the grains to be avoided. These grains are high in carbs, taking them off the suitable foods on keto list. Other foods to be avoided include legumes like lentils, peas and chickpeas. Soybeans and black beans are also to be avoided on this diet. It is also very important to avoid foods and drinks that are high in sugar, as they can significantly impact blood sugar levels and inhibit ketosis. Such foods include soda and sweetened beverages, flavored yogurt, and sweets like candies. So, we now have a very good elaboration. What exactly to eat, and what to avoid on the Mediterranean keto diet, reaping the maximum health and weight loss benefits from two of the best diets in practice, keto and the Mediterranean diet. So, what do you think of this wonderful diet? Do tell in the comments. And this is not all. We'll be revealing the most popular and the easy-to-adapt recipes on the Mediterranean keto diet. Our next video is going to reveal all that to you. Subscribe now to Shape Squad, and don't miss any of the vital facts and findings on health and fitness. Hit the like button with the Mediterranean power if you found the video helpful. And share with your friends, to make them benefit from this amazing diet too. We'll be back soon with the next video.